Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Wrangler Sport vs Willys, which is better. Follow along as we examine performance, off-road features, comfort, and cost to help you choose. I'll break down real driving impressions, modifications, and ownership factors in simple terms. Stick with me and you'll get clear pros and cons so you can decide which model suits your needs and adventures without confusion. Let's dive in and keep it practical. We'll look at engine response, gearing, and suspension differences to see how each model behaves on road and trail. Expect discussion of torque delivery, steering feedback, and practical impact of factory lift or tires. I'll describe situations where one setup may feel better, like daily commuting, mountain passes, or muddy trails. By the end, you'll understand the trade-offs so you can match the Jeep to your driving priorities. If this video is helpful, please hit subscribe and like so more comparisons like this are possible. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make packing food for trips so much easier and less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab them if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Next, we cover creature comforts, factory options, and the value proposition of each model so you can weigh immediate features versus long-term ownership. I'll point out practical items like seating, storage, and infotainment that affect daily use. We'll also talk about which upgrades buyers typically add and how that changes total cost. This helps you decide whether to buy stock, add mods, or pick the package that saves money later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.